Ahoy there, mates, and welcome to day 3 of our International Talk Like a Pirate Day tutorial. Today's word is scuttlebutt. Scuttlebutt means gossip. What's the gossip around the ship? You see, a butt is a cask of fresh water that was used for drinking on the ship, and it was kept near the scuttle, which is a type of hatch. And it says here that sailors coming from all over the ship for a drink used to linger for a short time and talk about the latest news going on. This, nowadays, would be known as what's going on around the water cooler. So there you are. Scuttlebutt means gossip. So when someone comes up to you and asks, "Oi, what's the scuttlebutt?" you know how to answer. So there you have it, mates. Another word for you to use on International Talk Like a Pirate Day. Speaking of which, I would like to invite you to join me on the Scallywags for International Talk Like a Pirate Day. And when making your reservations, simply say, "Happy Talk Like a Pirate Day," and you will automatically receive $2 off of each of your tickets. Drink up, me hearties. Yo ho.